Every time I go to a Japanese restaurant, I always order my favorite comfort food, Oyako Don. But people always laugh at me. They tell me Oyako Don is 小孩子吃 one, children eat one. I like to eat Oyako Don. It's so good. You got that tender chicken and that creamy egg. Wow. Then with rice. 8 years ago when I was in Japan, I had this bowl of Oyakodon that I remember till today. They added gizzard, liver, hearts, and chicken thigh. My god, the textural contrast. Okay, I cannot wait already. Let's do. So I'm cooking the gizzard and the heart separately because it takes a while more to cook and get tender. Later we'll add it back into the mix. For eggs, an important part of Oyakodon is to not scramble it. Just lightly beat it. You want that streaks of white and yellow over your Oyakodon. It's exactly what I described it to be. I got the creamy liver with the egg. Then you can hear that crunch from the gizzard. So tender. Oh my god. Huh? Can you? Yeah, can. Yeah, you can eat. You want to switch?
You sit all the way there, like, just say hit me lor.
You can eat. Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
Sorry.